Welcome to a new problem. This time we're given a block that's on a sliding surface. It's sitting at rest on a sliding surface. That means that the initial velocity of the block is 0 meters per second. So it's not moving. That's what we're given. And then also we're told that the coefficient of kinetic friction for this surface is 0.2. Another piece of information that we're given is the mass of the block, which happens to be 1.20 kilograms. We're also given a bullet, so there is a bullet that's fired. So this is kind of like the before, like what happens before.